everybody, what's happening? Son of a silver stacker here. In today's numismatic news and information, have a story out of the United Kingdom and another one here out of Southeast Africa. Wanted to share with you, and it's relative to our situation here in the United States. So, without further delay, gonna get right to it. And it says here, going for gold. Shoppers can snap up bars of gold for 24,500 pounds at bulk buy store Costco. This is out of the United Kingdom yesterday. Alrighty, here it says shoppers can pick up the bars alongside their weekly groceries when they visit the stores known for their pile 'em high, sell 'em cheap philosophy. Gold is normally bought direct from the Royal Mint or from bullion traders, rather than loaded into a supermarket trolley with multi-packs of toilet rolls. Other investors might use funds that track the market price or buy a share of a bullion bar, which is then kept in storage. But now it is in Costco stores. Experts have warned shoppers could be getting a duff deal as bullion prices have fluctuated wildly this year. A duff deal, a raw deal, you getting hosed, screwed over. On September 24, Costco's 100-gram bar was on sale for £4,939.99. That's, why not just round it up? I always hate that. When the market price for that much of gold was $4,619, equal to 7% markup in the store. So they're 7% markup, the duff deal here. It also had a 50-gram bar that sold just under 2,500 pounds, 6% higher than market rates, and a 500-gram bar for just under 25,000 pounds. Let's see here. It has a 1 kilo bar, and that costs just a little over 700 pounds at the time, when that much of the metal traded at 500, meaning the market price was a hefty 28%. That's a hefty markup. I'll do that deal every day. Thank you very much. Professor Trevor Williams, an economist at St. Mary's University, London, told the Mail on Sunday, gold is an investment product and people should be wary about buying it. I don't know. I mean, I've seen charts that go back that say gold is probably the most stable. I mean, yeah, it fluctuates here and there, but you'll keep your money. Some say it holds its value, but that's not true, he says. Who are these people? It can move up and down quite markedly. Okay. Some market watchers believe the price of gold will resume its upward climb later this year as governments will need to print more money to prop up their economies. Yeah, see, two differing opinions there. It says here, Michael Hewson, chief market analyst at trading for CMC Markets UK, said, I think that by the end of 2021, the price of gold could well be more than 30% higher than it is today. So if you bought this one, you might break even, right? No thanks. Watchdogs at the Financial Conduct Authority have previously warned of the danger of investing in unregulated assets such as physical gold, as there's very little protection if something goes wrong. Why do they not want people to buy gold and protect themselves like that? It's just so interesting that the authorities, I am the Financial Conduct Authority, warning the dangers of physical gold. Yeah, that's why it's been so popular for thousands of years. Thousands of years. But, don't listen to this guy. Wow, that's amazing. Anyway, I'm just shocked at the balls of some people, and the straight out lies and the misinformation. That's pretty bad, I mean, are they really looking out for their people? They just need to look at the historic value of gold, and they can see right there that it retains its value. I mean, it's outrageous. It's a scandal, really. All right, here we are on allafrica.com, and this is out of Zimbabwe. It says the U.S. dollar change, torn notes for sale. What? And this is by Victor Mafosa and the Herald. It says here, and this is really interesting, guys. I want you all to listen because I think that there's a shortage, or there will be a shortage of bills. We had a coin shortage. Now I think we're going to go through a bill shortage. I have heard rumors that the Federal Reserve is suspending new bill production. They're not ordering any new bills. So some cultures have this thing starting at the new year where they always give new money, or it's Christmas, so you give them new money for Christmas, a brand new, fresh, crisp note, never been used. You get them from the bank. Well, those have been suspended. At least that's what I'm hearing. If you guys out there hear anything different, please let me know. I'd like to share that out there with the world because, you know, people need to know what's going on with their mo money. Did I say mo money? Yeah. You always got to have more money. Okay, here we go. Shortage of smaller denominations of United States dollars has created an opportunity for illegal money changers and some vendors to sell notes at a premium, the Herald can reveal. Most of them are charging 10%, meaning that if one wants a U.S. $100 note split up into ones, twos, and $5 notes, a fee of $10 is paid. Wow, 10%. Some are also making a killing collecting worn-out notes before exchanging them in banks. For example, if one brings a torn U.S. $10 note, the vendors accept the money and then pay the person U.S. $7. That's interesting. The vendors, using their connections at banks and other financial institutions, will then get full value. Some vendors at times just mend the notes using glue or other adhesives. We've all seen that, mostly adhesives. The change problem has been worsened by those who do not accept change in local currency after paying for goods and services in U.S. dollars. A survey carried by the Herald recently has shown that many people pay up to $10 for them to get changed for a $100 note. 10%, boom, that's what it is. It says here, a visit to illegal money trading post in Copacabana Market Square in Roadport in Harare, to ask for change revealed that dealers were demanding up to 10%. So that's pretty consistent across the board, that 10%. At Market Square, this reporter produced $20, and one of the money changers demanded to be paid $200 for splitting the note. Yeah. But then again, you know, I think they haggle there a lot more. The prices that they offer you there are negotiable. Negocio. It's all negocio. The writer, who did not have Zimbabwean dollars, ended up getting 18 with the illegal money changer deducting $2. So this is what's going on. They're having shortage of dollars there. And why couldn't that hit here or anywhere else in the world? This is not looking good. As far as, look at, he says right here down at the bottom, I want to show you. We have 50 notes coming, but it's going to take some time. But there isn't sufficient smaller U.S. denominations across retail and wholesale sector, he said. Some players have designed U.S. 0, 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, and $1 coupons as the problem mounts. Are we going to do that here? Are we going to start making coupons that vendors can use, or we can bring back to the retailer and say, hey, you gave me this coupon because you didn't have that money last time. Take that off my bill this time. So, you know, business will find a way to survive. They will find a way to get paid. They always do. There's no problem with that. You know, that's just the evolution of things, the way things are. You know, you got to adapt. And if you don't adapt, then you probably get left behind. And that reminds me of a really interesting book called Who Moved My Cheese? It's about the story of some rats or mice or whatever. And they, well, anyway, Who Moved My Cheese? That's all I got to say about that. Listen, folks, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like what you hear and see. Please subscribe to the channel. It's free. Son of a Silver Stacker. Over and out.